Dear sister, oh, we didn't just arrive. We were called a major unity, a circle of queens aligned.
We weren't handed the path, we drew it. Where doors stayed locked, we pushed through it. Wrote truth in our tone, kept grace in the plan. They called it luck, but queen, that's a plan. No shrinking the fit, no nods to chase. We built the table and took up space. Not bar, not shy. We showed up, sat down, crown head, clear eye. Where the crown defy the sky, not borrowed light. This place is mine. For magic, we move right through. We don't enter rooms, we change the sound. Where glass once hung, we press it down. It turns back to sand under every stride. Proof of our rise, our power applied. No whispers, no masks, we lead out loud. From sister circles to ballroom ground, we carry vision up for show and stage. Dear sister, you were built to wait. Not just presence, precision and plan. Not just title, we shift where we stand. Dear sister, this is more than a role. This is village work, this is soul. Where the crown high the sky, not borrowed light. This place is mine. Where the crown, no ceiling, no cube. We don't wait for magic, we move right through. With a mind command, Harriet moved futures through the night. We move in her lineage, bold in light. Night spark the torch, King held the flame. Dr. White moves systems, Dr. Babbles reclaims his crown. Not borrow his name. Beside the sky, the borrowed light. This place is mine. No ceiling, no cue. We don't wait for magic. We don't wait for magic, we move right through. We move right through. Unity umoja. Now someday, now queens don't wait. We rise, we lead, we wear the crown.